Hi everyone, it's Linda Fosdick, the Crisis Planner. And today I have a crisis. And in this case, I really think shit happens. I have a problem with my toilet and it's constantly running. This is not good because when I go to flush it, there's no water in the tank, or sometimes there is, but it could be a real major issue in terms of my cesspool is quite old. And a constantly running toilet could actually result in a cesspool backup into my basement. So I investigate my toilet, and what I found was that my flapper, which is the rubber seal in the bottom of the tank, is completely deteriorated. So the first thing I had to do was figure out what flapper to buy, because there's a lot of different types of flappers. And what you want to do is look on the inside of your toilet tank, and it actually tells you the part numbers that you need to replace the flapper. So I went to my local plumbing supply store with the part number, and because it's a Kohler toilet, I needed to go to a plumbing supply store, not my local Home Depot. And unfortunately, Kohler has changed the numbers, so thank goodness the plumbing supply store was able to look up the number I had and for the new number that they have replaced it with. So here's my new flapper, and I'm going to first undo the chain. Well, first thing you want to do is empty the tank. So I'm going to flush, and all the water is going to come out of the tank. And if you notice, I have my little rubber gloves on. Even though it's clean water in the back of the tank, it's still a toilet. It's kind of icky. So the flapper is no longer sealed, so the tank is not going to fill. I undo the chain, and you can see my old flapper is pretty disgusting. So we're going to dispose of that. And then we're going to install the new flapper. So the new flapper looks like this, and it's got a chain attached. And it's got two little things that will go on the little nibs on the inside. So first I'm going to put one nib on. Put a second nib on. Okay, the flapper is going to seat. And then there's a little hook on the chain, which I'm going to put on the flush handle. I'm going to hook that on the flush handle. And now I'm going to watch and make sure that the tank fills and stays sealed. So right now my tank is filling. I have correctly installed my new flapper. And once the tank fills, I'm going to test flush and make sure that I have the chain adjusted to the right length so that it pulls the flapper up, so that the tank will empty and flush the toilet. So even a single woman like me, we can fix our own toilets and avoid the phone call to the plumber because we have a deteriorated flapper. So in this case, I am very, very proud to say that my toilet is filling quite nicely. It is a kind of a slow fill. I don't know why that is. I may have to adjust the water inflow, but I can probably test it at this point. The flapper comes up, the flapper goes down nice and smoothly, the toilet flushed, and I am proud to say my flapper replacement was a complete success. And you can do it too. So knowing what to do is all in the Home Operations Manual, Volume 1 of the Crisis Planner Home System. Knowing what you can do yourself can save you a lot of money, and knowing when you can call in the repair people, and knowing the risk. I think that is the big thing. Knowing the risk of not replacing a deteriorated flapper can cause flooding in your basement. So understanding that this simple little repair that I just made, which cost me all of under $9, could save me a lot of money in the future. So be your own crisis planner, and that's today's tip from the crisis planner. Real life and in person, in the bathroom with the toilet. I love it. Have a great day, everyone. Talk to you soon. Bye.